Imagine a world where decisions are not based on intuition or guesswork, but on solid, undeniable facts. That's the world data science is creating. Let's take healthcare, for instance. By analyzing vast amounts of patient data, data science has enabled us to predict disease outbreaks, improve patient care, and even discover new treatments. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of magic, it's powered by data. That's power of data science. It turns raw data into actionable insights. If you want to explore further how data science is revolutionizing our world, don't forget to subscribe to it, DemystifyTech. A data science project isn't a mysterious process. It involves structured steps that anyone can understand. Our journey begins with understanding the business problem. It's like starting a detective story. We need to comprehend the unique challenges a business is facing. What are the questions we're trying to answer? What are the goals we aim to achieve? Without this solid foundation, our data science project would be like a ship without a compass. Next, we dive into the world of data acquisition. This is where we gather the raw materials for our investigation. We might collect data from various sources like databases, web scraping, surveys, or even social media. It's all about seeking out the information that will help us solve our business problem. Once we have our data, it's time for data preparation. Just like a chef prepares ingredients before cooking, we need to clean, format, and transform our raw data into a usable format. This might involve dealing with missing values, removing duplicates, or encoding categorical variables. After our data is prepared, we move on to exploratory data analysis. This is where we roll up our sleeves and dive into the data. We're looking for patterns, correlations, anomalies, and insights that can guide our next steps. We might use visualizations, statistical tests, or just good old-fashioned curiosity. Now that we've explored our data, we're ready for data modeling. This is the heart of our data science project. We use statistical or machine learning techniques to build a model that captures the relationships in our data. It's like creating a map that can guide us to our destination. But what good is a map if we can't read it? That's where visualization and communication come in. We need to present our findings in a way that's easy to understand. We might create charts, graphs, or even interactive dashboards. Our goal is to tell a compelling story with our data. Finally, we reach deployment and maintenance. This is where our model goes to work in the real world. But our job isn't done. We need to monitor, update, and maintain our model to ensure it stays accurate and relevant. Remember, in data science, each step builds on the previous one. It's a journey from understanding a problem to finding its solution. Data science isn't a one-size-fits-all field. It offers a variety of roles tailored to different skills and interests. To start, we have the data analyst. This is the detective of the data world. They scrutinize, dissect, and interpret complex data sets, using their findings to fuel business strategies and decision-making. It's a role that demands an eye for detail, a love for numbers, and a knack for storytelling. Next, we have the data engineer. Think of them as the architects and builders of the data landscape. They design, construct, and maintain the systems that house the data. Their work is the foundation upon which all other data roles build. This role requires a solid understanding of databases, programming, and system design. Then there's the machine learning engineer. They're the magicians of the data world, bringing inanimate data to life through algorithms and models. They create systems that can learn from and make decisions based on data, which is pretty incredible when you think about it. This role requires a deep understanding of computer science, statistics, and machine learning techniques. Now, let's talk rewards. The data science field is not just intellectually rewarding, but it also offers attractive financial incentives. Salaries vary widely depending on the role, experience, and geographic location. However, as a general guide, data analysts can expect to earn in the mid-five figures, while data engineers and machine learning engineers often command six-figure salaries. Job prospects are equally promising. With the explosion of data in today's digital world, businesses across all sectors are scrambling to harness its power. This has led to a high demand for data professionals, a trend that shows no sign of slowing down. So, here's a little data science humor for you. Why was the computer cold at work? Because it left its windows open. In conclusion, the field of data science is vast and varied. It offers numerous roles, each with its own set of challenges and rewards. Whether you love crunching numbers, visualizing data, or building algorithms, there's a role for you in data science. Data science isn't just a trend, it's the future. As we catapult into a new era of technology, data science stands at the forefront, shaping our world in ways that were once only imagined. Every sector, from healthcare to marketing, finance to entertainment, is turning to data science to unlock new insights and drive innovation. In this digital age, data is the new oil, and data scientists are the engineers, refining this raw resource into valuable information. The future of data science promises an even deeper integration into our lives. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science is poised to revolutionize industries and create opportunities we can't even envision yet. As data continues to proliferate, the demand for data science skills is skyrocketing, making it one of the most sought-after professions. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, understanding data science can unlock new opportunities for you. So what's the punchline here? Well, data science is no joke. As we've journeyed through this video, we've discovered the profound impact of data science, from its ability to solve complex problems to its capacity for unlocking insights in vast data sets. We've dived into the structured steps of a data science project, from understanding the business problem to deploying and maintaining the model. We've explored the diverse roles and potential rewards in this dynamic field. Whether you're intrigued by the thought of being a data analyst or the idea of becoming a machine learning engineer sparks your interest, there's a place for you in the world of data science. We've also cast an eye towards the future, a future where data science continues to play a pivotal role in shaping our world. The demand for data science skills isn't slowing down. If anything, it's accelerating, making this an exciting time to dive in. But remember, data science isn't just about the tools and techniques. It's about the questions you ask and the insights you uncover. It's about using data to make better decisions and create a better world. So whether you're just starting your journey or looking to deepen your understanding, continue to explore, learn, and grow. Remember, every data point tells a story. And as a data scientist, you get to be the storyteller. Data science is the key to unlocking the treasure trove of information hidden in our data, so don't wait. Dive into the world of data science today.